Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wii Sports Resort on piano. We'll dive into the exciting world of adapting video game music for your keyboard. It's a unique challenge that allows you to recreate beloved melodies with your own touch. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting, this guide offers practical steps to help you master these fun and memorable tunes. Get ready to transform your favorite game's soundtrack into a captivating piano performance. To begin your musical journey, the first step is sourcing the actual music. You can often find fan-made sheet music arrangements for Wii Sports Resort themes on various online platforms. These resources can provide a solid foundation. If specific pieces are unavailable, consider transcribing by ear using music notation software. Focus on iconic melodies, such as the main Woohoo Island theme, as they offer a recognizable and rewarding starting point for your practice. Adapting orchestral or synthesized game music for the piano requires specific techniques. You'll need to simplify complex textures, focusing initially on the main melody and bass lines. Once those are solid, gradually introduce harmonic filler using chords or arpeggios to enrich the sound. Practice each hand independently to build muscle memory and coordination. This approach helps you translate the original feel of the music into a compelling piano performance, making it sound full and authentic. Consistent practice is key to mastering these arrangements. Begin by practicing at a slow tempo, focusing on accuracy and rhythm, then gradually increase your speed. Recording yourself can be incredibly helpful for identifying areas that need more attention. Once you feel comfortable, consider performing for friends or family to build confidence. Most importantly, enjoy the unique experience of bringing the vibrant music of Wii Sports Resort to life through your piano. It's a truly rewarding endeavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.